Alright, we're over here at gotomath.com. We're doing some calculus. We're down here in the section on the rules of differentiation, going over all the rules. We are in this section right here. And so this is the problem that we want to look at. It says find the derivative. We got y is equal to sine of 4x to the 7th plus 9 times cosine x. So let's move over to the whiteboard. Write that out. We have y is equal to sine 4x to the 7th plus, was that 9? Yes, it was. Plus 9 times cosine x. So in the previous section, you need to know what the derivative of sine x is and derivative of cosine x is. Now in this particular one here, we got the product of really two separate functions here. So we're going to take the derivative of the first, which becomes cosine of 4x to the 7th plus 9. And then you want to take the derivative of the inside and bring it out. So that becomes 28 x to the 6th, and of course the derivative of 9 is 0, so we don't have to write anything there. And then we rewrite the second part, and then go plus. Rewrite the first, and hopefully I don't run out of room over here. And then we take the derivative of cosine. Derivative of cosine is negative sine x. And of course there's nothing to take the derivative of and bring it out. You know, derivative of x is 1, but we write 1 out there. Okay, it makes no sense. I'm going to go ahead and take this 28x to the 6th and bring it out. 28x to the 6th, rewriting cosine of 4x to the 7th plus 9, and then cosine of x. Now I'm going to take this minus, or this negative, bring it out front. Okay, basically comes in that minus sine of 4x to the 7th plus 9 times sine of x. So there is your derivative. Lovely, isn't it? And let's see what happens here. Alright, we got 28x to the 6th. Yep. And then cosine, right? And then cosine again, minus sine. And then we've run out of room over here. Let me move it over. And then we got sine x there. So there you go. We're in this section here. So click on that button. And I think there's like 12 different problems or something in this section that randomly comes up. So make sure that you get all these guys down. Of course, you're going to have to know this section here really well before you really understand how to work these problems any further over here in that section there. All right. So remember where we are. We are at gotomath.com.